Oxy is now accepting applications for compensation from the victims of its toxic humidifier disinfectant. The British-based firm laid out its final compensation plan on Sunday. It said it would fully cover the victims' medical expenses and provide up to $315,000 to the families of those seriously harmed or killed by exposure to the said product. Oxy will provide almost $900,000 for infants and children who were seriously affected or died because of this chemical. The final compensation package is almost identical to the original offer presented in June, except that it includes additional compensation of $45,000 if there is more than one victim in the same household.